So we have reached our cabin in the mountains and we are trying to settle down. Always a happy high. This is a room with bunk beds. Ashleisha and I are definitely going to sleep here. This is our living room, and this is another room, and this is me sitting because our car hit a bump and I hurt my ear. It was bleeding a little, so it needed some attention. But don't worry, I'm in good hands. Beautiful moon in the mountains of Boone. Really, it's unreal. And time for some unreal pictures. And of course, we start dancing. When your body can't contain the joy that you're feeling, it starts to move in all directions. It's also called dancing. And for dancing, you don't need any steps. You just need a happy, free spirit. We also drag other people in this movement of ours. Hello. यहाँ से नीचे कैसे? कैसे? Good night.
Good night.
Happy morning. This is how the place looks in the day. There is another room downstairs which we won't be using because we love our bunk beds. There's a staircase that goes up, comes down also. This room I showed you, same people. And this is where we were sitting at night. This whole town, Boone, and all the surrounding towns, they are so marvelous, really magnificent. The air quality is so fresh, and the houses are so beautiful. Everywhere you look is breathtaking. It's called Mini Switzerland for a reason. We are at this place, Art of Living Resort in the mountains of Boone. So this is how it looks like. क्या बकबक करे कुछ?
Working on a deal with Sri Ravi Shankar to take over.
This Art of Living Retreat Center is huge, spread over 380 acres on top of Blue Ridge Mountain in Boone. It can house hundreds of people who want to meditate, rejuvenate, and energize themselves. The food that is served is so simple. Even after eating a lot of it, you feel you have eaten nothing. That's the beauty of sattvic food.
This drink is so good. I'm feeling so much better just by drinking it.
अभी जाके कुछ खा लेते हैं लंच करते हैं मैकडॉनल्ड
And it was time to become children again. And why not? Who can enjoy life better than a child? So here we are at the Grandfather mountain. It's just that we can't see anything because there's so much of fog.
Grandfather mountain.
It's cold. Grandfather is cold.
मैं कोई पोस्ट करने के लिए थोड़ी लेना
Memory of mine.
मेमोरी हाँ मेमोरी तो रिमेंबर
What are you having?
Saltwater taffy.
What is it?
Toffee made with salt water.
These. Staffy. You're having taffy?
Taffy.
Okay. I'm also having taffy.
Did you like
Okay.
it?
I didn't like it. I don't like taffy. I like my Indian toffee. And when we thought it couldn't get any better, it started snowing. The smile that it brought on our faces was unmatched. It kind of completed our trip. We really wanted it to snow, and it did. What is it about some moments in life? It's like it brings you totally in the present moment. You completely forget yourself. Yet, you are there as your real self. Just watching, living intensely, totally alert, yet not thinking at all, not labeling anything, just being there. like a tree or a branch or a leaf or like a flower. Just there. Nature brings that quality. It makes you its own, a part of it, or maybe the whole of it. You are not there, but it's all you, everywhere. And if you get to share it with a loved one, then no words. Smile is the way of your body saying that it's in tune. It's in tune with the whole. So we were just smiling. We were just silent. And just like that, it was time for us to pack our bags and leave this beautiful place. Maybe we'll come back, maybe we won't. But we are eternally grateful.